So let's talk about how to turn Outlook into a productivity machine. So Outlook can either be your biggest time drain or your greatest advantage. The difference is all in how it's set up. Most people treat Outlook like a message dump. Emails, tasks, and meetings all mixed together with no structure whatsoever. So no wonder it feels overwhelming. But when you set it up right with categories, quick steps, in a proper task flow, Outlook actually turns into a productivity machine. Every message has a home, every task has a next step, and your brain finally gets to breathe. That system starts with mastering your daily focus flow, how you process, prioritize, and reset your attention. This is exactly what I teach inside the Focus Flow Blueprint, and that's completely free. So once you got that down, Outlook Secrets, which is a book I wrote, will show you how to build the full ecosystem around it. But start with the blueprint first.